Welcome to our channel, Cosmic Unseen. Here we explore the universe's biggest mysteries. We dive into black holes, ponder distant galaxies, and ask the what-ifs. Today's cosmic question: what if the sun suddenly disappeared? The sun is our closest star, a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma at the heart of our solar system. It's a giant ball of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion. This fusion process releases an immense amount of energy, which is the reason we have life on Earth. The sun's gravity is so powerful that it holds our entire solar system together, keeping planets, moons, and other celestial bodies in their orbits. Its light and heat make Earth habitable, providing the warmth necessary for water to remain liquid and for life to thrive. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis, a process that converts light energy into chemical energy. This is how they make food, producing oxygen as a byproduct, which is essential for most life forms on Earth. We eat plants and animals that eat plants, making sunlight the foundation of our food supply. So, the sun is the basis of our food chain, supporting all living organisms either directly or indirectly. The sun also drives our weather patterns, influencing climate and weather systems across the globe. It heats the Earth unevenly, creating temperature differences that lead to wind and weather changes. This causes wind and ocean currents, which are crucial for distributing heat and nutrients around the planet. The sun is crucial for our existence, a constant source of energy that sustains life and shapes our environment. Imagine the sun vanishing. Poof! Gone! One moment it's there, the next it's just an empty void. The first thing we'd notice is the darkness. Earth would be plunged into night. The familiar warmth and light of the sun would be replaced by an eerie, cold blackness. This would happen instantly. This is because light travels at a finite speed. Even though the sun is 93 million miles away, its light reaches us in just about 8 minutes. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be shrouded in darkness. The last rays of sunlight would fade, leaving us in a perpetual night. But there's more. We wouldn't see stars any brighter. Our eyes are adapted to daylight. The sudden shift to darkness would be disorienting, and our vision would struggle to adjust. In the sudden darkness, we wouldn't see fainter stars well. The moon, reflecting sunlight, would also vanish. It would be as if the night sky had swallowed it whole. Our world would be a very dark place. Cities would rely on artificial lights, but the natural rhythm of day and night would be lost. The impact on life, both human and ecological, would be profound and far-reaching. Section 4. A world in transition, early changes. Imagine a world where the sun suddenly disappears. The absence of sunlight would have immediate and profound effects on our planet. Without the sun's warmth and light, the Earth would be plunged into darkness. The absence of sunlight would have immediate effects. Temperatures would start to drop rapidly. The Earth, which relies on the sun for its warmth, would begin to cool at an alarming rate. Within a week, the global average temperature would plummet to freezing. The once warm and habitable planet would become a frozen wasteland. Water bodies such as rivers and lakes would begin to freeze solid. The transformation would be swift and unforgiving. Plants deprived of sunlight would start to die. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food, would cease. The food chain would begin to collapse. Animals that rely on plants for food would struggle to survive, leading to a domino effect throughout the ecosystem. However, life wouldn't disappear instantly. Humans have developed technologies to adapt to harsh conditions. We can generate light and heat using artificial means. Portable heaters and light sources would become essential for survival. We could survive for a while in artificial environments. Indoor greenhouses could provide some food, and controlled environments could offer temporary refuge. But these solutions would be temporary. The strain on resources and the harsh conditions would make long-term survival challenging. We would face a bigger challenge, finding a long-term solution in a sunless world. Scientists would need to brainstorm innovative ways to sustain life, possibly looking toward space habitats or other radical solutions. Section 5. Fading away, long-term consequences. Over time, the consequences of a vanished sun would become more severe. The Earth, no longer held by the sun's gravity, would drift off into space. Our planet would become a rogue planet, wandering the vast emptiness of the cosmos. Temperatures on Earth would continue to plummet. Oceans would freeze solid. The atmosphere would eventually freeze and fall to the ground. Life as we know it would cease to exist. Earth would become a barren, icy rock. Section 6. The Universe, a place of wonder and uncertainty. The hypothetical disappearance of the sun, while unlikely, offers a sobering perspective. It reminds us of our fragility. It highlights our dependence on the star we often take for granted. The universe is a vast and often chaotic place. It's filled with wonder and beauty, but it also holds dangers that we can barely comprehend. Section 7. Appreciating our star. The next time you feel the sun's warmth on your skin, take a moment to appreciate it. It's more than just a bright light in the sky, it's the lifeblood of our planet. It's a cosmic engine that makes our existence possible. Let's explore the universe together, here on Cosmic Unseen, and never stop asking, what if?